Hello, I'm Maker Arm, the world's first multifunctional robotic arm that fits anywhere in your workspace. I have changeable tool heads that allow me to do some really neat stuff, and I can help my humans make just about anything. I can 3D print freely since I don't live in a box. I can auto-level so my humans don't have to. I can make things up to 30 inches long and 10 inches tall on any flat surface. I can make high-quality 3D prints with both filament and resin. But I can do a lot more than just 3D printing. I'm great at building the next big thing, like this. I can cut sheets and 3D print corners. I can pick and place sheets and panels together and create a custom PCB. I can solder, assemble components. I can even work with fellow maker arms. Voila! Here's our finished project, a custom laptop. I can be operated wirelessly on all of your devices. Plus, my humans can teach me tricks and send me remote instructions. I was made for creative people everywhere. I can make really impressive toys, paint on canvas and fabric, and create custom invites. I can etch glass, engrave plastic and leather, carve metal, and wood. I can also plot designs. And yes, I can even decorate cakes. Another cool thing, my humans can design their own custom tool heads for me. It feels great helping my humans build their dreams, and I would love to see maker arms in labs, garages, and tinkering stations everywhere. That's why I'm here on Kickstarter. My makers have spent 2 years perfecting me and my fellow maker arms. Right now we are working prototypes and need to be manufactured so we can be on our way to all you humans. With your help, together we can make anything, anywhere.
What did we think the future would look like 10 years ago? We thought there would be a way to save up our time and excel at multitasking. We thought the way we get things done would change, get smarter, more efficient and economic. It did. Introducing DoBot, the first affordable robotic arm created not only for makers. DoBot is a great assistant for educators, designers, artists, and scientists, and even everyday use. For makers, it's a unique product of its kind that allows you to study robotic technology and coding. It will provide endless opportunities when it goes fully open sourced. We created software for DoBot where all users will be able to write their own commands, upload them to the server, and share with other users, creating a database of a limitless variety of DoBot applications. The new 4-axis dimension movement capability allows DoBot to use a lot less desk space for its performance. We took the best from the industrial robots, keeping their high quality, and added a number of innovative improvements. We created the new code, allowing it to operate at never-before precision and multifunctionality. With an exceptional aluminum alloy fusion, we achieved the best possible durability and lightweight of the components. Numerous small details, along with 5 changeable nozzles for different types of performance, allow DoBot to be more precise and more agile than any other robotic arms of this generation.
Go left.
Let's take a closer look at how it works. We developed an app that helps you to remote control it using Bluetooth. It can be operated with a PC. Just use a downloaded command from the global DoBot server or write your own. It can be controlled with gesture motion, equipping 3 sensors that track your hand movement. Using the microphone in your phone, you can now input commands with your voice. DoBot is able to recognize shapes and colors with a portable web camera. But it doesn't end there. You can download and share new codes for different kinds of item recognition. You can also control it using the leap motion that can register your hand movement as you hover your hand over the sensor. We managed to apply a revolutionary technology of mind control, EEG, which allows you to operate DoBot with your concentration. It happened. DoBot, a robot for everyone and everyday use.
This is Maximo, the first professional 5-axis robotic arm that you can assemble and use in less than 3 hours. Easy to put together, accessible, and affordable. Maximo is a great way to discover robotics. It comes with software that controls the robot and can create complex automations in a snap. There are countless ways to use Maximo. The only limit to what Maximo can do is your own imagination. It can be used as an educational tool or simply to have fun with robotics. Maximo's light acrylic body makes it highly portable, and its reliable stabilizing legs can secure the arm in various environments. Our previous robot was used in classrooms, school activities, and summer camps. We learned a lot from these experiences, and we decided to create a better and more affordable robot. Maximo comes with a free Robotic Studio license that allows you to control the arm and execute precise automations. Assembling the 225 parts of the arm is an easy process. In fact, the only thing required to build the robot is a Phillips head screwdriver. We provide a simple step-by-step guide to help you build Maximo. In order to bring more features to Maximo, we have created several modular heads, such as the pen holder, the advanced gripper, LED light, and the palletizer. Maximo is available in black, blue, and red. The modular heads can be switched within seconds. You only have to disconnect the cable, loosen the screws, and switch heads. This opens up an array of possibilities for using the robot. Thank you for watching. Help us make Maximo a reality. Get your own Maximo now and discover robotics with us in a fun and amusing way. Maximo, the Robot Arm by InnoTechnics.
SevenBot Arm is our first product. It has 6 degrees of freedom, modeled after the classic ABB industrial robot. The all-aluminum body, 6 high-torque metal digital servos, and optimized control algorithm come into this accurate, stable, agile, and durable 7-bot arm. If you have 2 7-bot arms, you can build this humanoid robot 7-bot arm duel. 7-bot arm can be a useful assistant on your desk for a wide variety of applications. Using our computer vision sample codes, you can adjust the parameters to build a real automated assembly line on your desk. Furthermore, we make it perfectly suitable for implementing artificial intelligence. By leveraging our customized mobile platforms, 7-bot arm can explore much more working space. For your convenience, all of our 3D printed files are open source. With the help of Connect or Leap Motion, you can build a wide variety of applications upon it. As AI robot enthusiasts, we could not wait to test our applications on 7-bot, and it works pretty well. We offer multiple ways to control the robot. For beginners, remote control is probably the easiest way, such as using a leap motion sensor or a web control application. Our custom-built servos with feedback allow you to teach the robot to accomplish simple tasks without coding. We also provide 3D visualization software for you to program this robot. One popular option is Scratch. For more advanced users, we provide APIs. All of our designs and samples are open source. There is an old saying in China, it is more joyful to share the joy than to enjoy alone. We are trying hard to make these wonderful applications available to everyone. We need your support, and we hope 7bot can help bring happiness to your daily life.
Hi Kickstarter! Today we would like to introduce you the second sneak, an Arduino-powered self-controlled robot, which is able to run around, look for objects, grab them, relocate them, and do many other useful, funny, and brave things. The two driving wheels of this robot are powered by independently controlled DC motors, allowing for precise control of the angular position of the wheel, as well as its velocity and acceleration. The arm is run by 3 super strong servo motors, so it's fast and powerful enough to push up to 3 pounds, or even lift the robot itself, or throw objects. The robot is also equipped with 3 infrared proximity meters that prevent it from colliding with obstacles and avoiding conflicts with other robots. Also, it assists in finding objects on the ground. You can also equip your robot with extra shields and sensors, as the robot's body has enough space for it. But the most impressive thing is that the robot runs as a fully independent unit. Thus, it can find and collect objects on the ground. It can chase and attack other robots. You can make it organize your living space, placing things back in a place whenever they are found where they should not be. In other words, you are only limited by your imagination. The robot software is completely open sourced, so you can either use the original software which has already been developed for you, or you can modify it as you please to meet your demands. You can then use commands like look for object, grab or throw instead of writing low-level code to control the sensors, motors and servos directly. Or develop your own way of thinking for the robot from scratch using the Arduino integrated development environment. No matter if you are an experienced programmer, a robotic fan or a school teacher who wants to make his pupils get interested with robotics. The second sneak is a great way to learn about mechanics, electronics and programming, all in one. The robot is provided as a kit, containing everything you need to complete the assembly of the robot, including acrylic glass or aluminum laser cut body parts, along with DC motors with encoders, dual motor shield and wheels, arm power and service, infrared proximity meters, an Arduino Amiga 2560 control board, screws, nuts and spacers, flanged bearing wheels, wires, connectors, breadboard and other minor parts. You will be provided with a full step-by-step tutorial explaining how to assemble your robot. Moreover, you will get the intermediate programming sketches which will help you to properly connect and test all the electronic parts one by one. We want to share the design and our experience building the second sneak robot with developers all around the world. So, after the Kickstarter campaign, the second sneak robot in its entirety will be released to the public. The next version will be equipped with accelerometers for precise positioning of the robot. We will also add a CMOS camera and Bluetooth or Wi-Fi shields for interactive outboard optical object recognition, or even replace an Arduino controller with a Raspberry Pi microcomputer. However, all of this can only be done with your support, and we count on your participation as developer in the future. With your funding, we can make the second sneak robot even better, more affordable and easily accessible to everyone.